Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Ethereum coin. Previously, we saw that the price action of Ethereum was moving in this descending triangle. Now the price action has just broken out the resistance of this triangle. And in today's video, we will try to analyze whether the price action will hit the triangle's target or it will be moved more down. And in my previous video, we also saw that the price action of Ethereum formed this bullish cipher pattern on the daily time frame chart, and I was expecting up to 14.5% rally. In fact, I shared this chart at the Patreon, and then I also shared in my previous video with you guys as well. And let me show you this chart first, and then I'll take you to the current situation as well. And if we can see that the price action was moving in the buying zone of this bullish cipher. Sorry, this is the older one. Let me show you the bullish cipher pattern that was formed on the daily time frame. This was a bullish cipher, and now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price action rallied here and hit the sell targets. That was approximately 8.5% move, and it is moved down back inside this buying zone or potential reversal zone. And at the same time, the price line has also formed another harmonic bullish reversal move that I have also shared yesterday at the Patreon. And in today's video, I am just going to share the targets for this new pattern with you in this video as well. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas at the Patreon on the daily basis. And if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this time, this harmonic bullish reversal bat pattern has been formed against the Bitcoin again. And I'll share the complete buying and sell targets for this pattern with you as well. Let me show you first this descending triangle. And we can see previously the price action was moving in the resistance and support of this triangle. Here we have breakout from the resistance of this triangle. Now, as per the target of this descending triangle, our next target can be, if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, then our next imminent target should be $3,300. Now the price line is out of the triangle, and it is also possible that the price action might retest this previous resistance as a support and continue the rally towards the upside. Previously, we also saw that after placing this volume profile on the complete price action, moving within this triangle, it was showing very weak interest of the traders, you can see at this level, and it was showing very strong interest of the traders up to this level, and this is the point of control of the volume profile, and the price action was following this point of control, and by following this point of control, now finally the price action has broken out the resistance of the triangle. Now you can see we still have the traders interest up to this level, therefore the price action can move here. However, so far we did not receive the final confirmation for the breakout from this triangle, because we need the closing above this candlestick on the daily time frame, and there is a possible retest, because whenever the price action breaks out any important resistance or support, it retests the previous resistance as a support and continue the rally towards the upside. But I'm expecting there will be no retest of the previous resistance as a support, because there is a harmonic bullish reversal formed on the daily time frame, and I will show you the targets for that pattern as well. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that after this powerful rally from the lowest of March 2020, from here to this high, the price action has dropped exactly at the Fibonacci golden ratio, that is 0.618 Fibonacci golden pocket, and from here the price action is likely to have a bounce. We have a very nice consolidation here, and now the price action is likely to move up from here. And at the same time, if I show you the different support and resistance levels, then here we had a very strong support at $1,300. Price action did not test this support. However, the price action tested this support of $1,700 during this bearish move after this rally. And now after this $1,700, we had the next resistance of $2,000. The price action moved above the $2,000, and now it is at trying to break out the next resistance of $2,400. I'm showing you the major support and resistance levels on the long term weekly time frame chart. There is a possibility that there will be a lot more other strong support and resistance levels on the smaller time frame, but I'm showing you on the bigger time frame. These are the major support and resistance levels, and after $2,400 we have the next resistance at $2,900, and then we have the next resistance at $4,000. That can be our final resistance, and after breaking out that resistance, there will be an explosive move of the Ethereum coin. However, at this time we should emphasize on this move that the price action is trying to break out the $2,400, and at the same time the price action is moved above the EMA 21 weekly. That is very important event. We can see that the price action is now having the support of exponential moving average 21 on the weekly time frame. However, we need the closing above the EMA 21 on the weekly time frame, then it will be confirmed that the price action has finally found a place above the weekly EMA 21, and it has a very strong support of this exponential moving average. Now let's move back to this triangle, and I have already told you that after this breakout our next target is $3,300, and if the price action will be moved at $3,300, in that situation you can see that the price line will also break out this next resistance of $2,400 and $2,900 as well, and it will be it can move up to $4,000 because on the long term we don't have any significant resistance or support between $2,900 to $4,000. So in that situation, if the price action will cross this $2,900, then we can expect the next move up to $4,000, and that will be a powerful attempt to break out the final resistance of $4,000. Now let's move to this bullish bat pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame, and I shared yesterday at the Patreon. This is the bat pattern. I'm just going to open up this chart, and let me show you this chart and the buying and sell targets for this pattern as well. Now I have opened this chart, and you can see that the buying zone of this pattern starts from 0.0581 bitcoins to 0.0567 bitcoin. So this is the buying zone, and this is a very low risk and high reward trading idea, because you can see that this buying zone is approximately at 3% wide, and the sell targets are from 0.0615 to 0.0664. However, I'm not seeking for these targets that I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this bullish bat pattern. I am looking for these targets as per this triangle on the daily time frame. Once the price action will be reverse bullish from here, from this buying zone of this bullish bat pattern, it can also hit the next targets of the triangle, and it can also move to the $4,000. But remember, this is not a financial advice. This is my personal opinion that I'm sharing with you after my own research. So you should do your own research as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon for more ideas, then I have also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. Take care. Goodbye.